But here, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in the mood of a coward boy. And coward boy means, what is coward? What is Shishubhav, Sakhibhav? Hey, you're not a big man. I'm a big man. Subal tells Krishna, you think you're a big man? Choo! Take that. Choo, choo! There's no respect. Oh, he's the son of the king of Vrindavan. He's Brajendra Nandan. I can't splash him. The king may get angry. I splashed the king's son, and the king may put me in jail. Oh, they don't think like this. Who are you? I defeated you so many times in wrestling. You had to carry me on your shoulder. You weakling. Yeah. The coward boys, they're not scared of God. They're not afraid of the wrath of God. That Krishna is going to throw a thunderbolt on their head. Oh God, please save me. This is God. What is God? What is this? So you're God? Who's telling this? Who's telling you're God? We know very well who you are. You're a thief. You're a liar. You steal clothes and yogurt and anything you get your hands on, you steal. Then when you get caught, you lie. Who, me? Steal? I didn't steal your yogurt. I think it was the monkeys. Oh, really? Monkeys are coming in blue color now? I never heard of a Neela Bandur. Because what I saw running out of my window was not a Bandur, but it was a blue boy with lotus eyes. He looked exactly like you. And Krishna said, no, I think you were intoxicated. And it was actually a monkey, because you were drunk on Diplomat, or Scotsman, you thought that monkey was me. And then the gopi looks at Krishna, oh Lala, come every day and steal all my yogurt. I can never defeat you. So they're absorbed in the mood of the coward boys. Chaitanya and Advaitacharya began splashing water in great sport upon one another, while forcefully splashing water in the eyes of each other. There were no rules, right? Oh, hey, come on, hey, that's not fair in the eyes. Hey, oh. Advaita would be defeated, and then the next moment, the Lord would be defeated. Nityananda, Gadadhar, and Puri Goswami all began water fights with one another. Yet none of them were defeated. Mukunda Dutt, Murari Gupta had repeated water fights in which they shouted loud in ecstasy. These are grown men, these aren't kids. But these grown men, Nityananda, Sankarshan, and Advaita, Mahavishnu, all these great personalities are behaving just like children. Laughing, shouting, hey, watch out, boom! Splashing water. Then, two friends, Pundarik Vidyanidhi and Swarup Damodar, smiled as they splashed water on each other in ecstasy. Hundreds of thousands of people in the water took great pleasure as Balaram, Krishna, and Govinda and the Vijay Vigraha rode in the boat. So this whole Chandan Yatra festival is going on. And the Utsav Didi of Jagannath, Madan Mohan, he's riding in the boat all around Narendra Sarovar is a huge lake. There's a temple in the middle. They're riding around, and meanwhile in different places, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Advaita, Nityananda, Pundarik, Sarvabhauma, Swarup Damodar, they're all just splashing water and shouting, and the Lord is enjoying. As a father enjoys to see his children playing happily together. If he sees his son and someone else's children playing happy and laughing, he feels very happy. It gives him great joy. Oh, look, they're happy. And he won't disturb them. He won't want to disturb them because he wants to see his son and daughter to be happy. So when Madan Mohan's riding in the boat, he feels so happy to see all of his children. Of course, it's also Krishna is also Madan Mohan, but to see them all playing like this.